Alright, if you are tired of blowing your trading account again and again and again, then you need to sit tight and watch this particular video to the very end, because in this video I will show you how to use moving average, right, to be profitable in the forex market. Basically, if you're a beginner that don't have a strategy yet, I think you should try using moving average, and I'm going to show you how to install it, what you need to do, how to trade moving average. Very important. If you have been wondering how the bigger institutions always win the forex market, or even the banks always win big in the forex market, then this is possibly the video for you. You can possibly grow $100 to over thousands of dollars if you can possibly pay a very close attention. I use moving average every single day in every trade that I'm taking to confirm my entering points. My name is James Gides, teach you how to make money in the forex market, show you the best forex strategy. If we can do it right, you can also do it from start and also win big. So let's jump right into it. So first thing first, as you can see, we have two major lines over here, right? We have two wonderful clean lines showing us what to do. Am I understood? So these lines are called moving average. You have short, you have long moving average. That's exactly what is going on over here. As you can see, my moving average is possibly set up. For instance, I take that off, you can see a blank chart without indicators right here, and I can possibly trade like this. But to stress you when trading like this, we possibly not know what the market is doing, right? That is why you need moving average. Let me show you my setting on moving average. My setting on moving average, first thing first, let me clear up this indicator so I start afresh. The platform that I use to analyze the chart is TradingView. Possibly if you don't have a laptop and you have MetaTrader 5, you can possibly do the same right there. I'm understood. So if you have MetaTrader 5, all you need to do is to go to your indicator, right, and pull out moving average. Apply the same setup on your MetaTrader 5, right? Very important. So all you need to do, come over to indicator. If you click on indicator, you see different indicators right here. See, right? You see many indicators. You don't need to fill your trading platforms, or you don't need to fill your chart with several indicators. No, all you just need is just moving average. So all you need to do, type MA cross, right? Type MA cross. You can see it over here, then click on it, right? So as you can see, come over to your chart. Yeah, now we have moving average, right? You don't even need to do much setup on this, right? Also show you the rules of using moving average so that you will not use it wrongly and end up blowing your trading account. As you can see over here, these are my setups, and this is the setup that also came with it. We have short 9 and we have long 21. This plus means this is where the moving average cross over themselves, right? If you're a day trader trading from 15-minute time frame, 4-hour time frame, all you need is this setup right here. If you are a swing trader, is to change this short, right? You can change it to 50 and change the long to 200. There are rules that guide moving average. Don't use moving average when price is ranging. As you can see, price is ranging over here. All of this range. Come on, keep crossing over themselves, keep crossing over themselves, keep crossing over themselves, right? At this point, you will blow your trading account, so you don't need to get into the market. But if you want to enjoy moving average and trade well, is to go with trend, either downtrend or uptrend. In that way, we keep cashing out consistently. First thing first, let's take away these crosses that are over here. Come over to style. My short is normally yellow, and as you can see, I love white candlesticks, so I also love white lines. I love white things, right? Click on cross, take away all these crosses that you're seeing here, because it makes your chart look boring. We have our moving average set. At this point, you need to use moving average with support and resistance. That means where to take your profits and where to put your stop loss. Very important. So support and resistance in such a way that here is our support, right, and here is our resistance, right? If you see closely, cross over themselves here, cross over themselves here, cross over themselves. As you can see, why? Because the price is ranging, right? So at this point, you are in to blow your trading account unless you are wise enough. So if you get over to this place, you will see the same thing. Keep crossing over themselves back to back. Even if you are to trade on this market, right? You should know your support and resistance. If you see over here, the white line cross over the yellow one, buying potential. When the yellow cross over the white, that should show you the sell potentials, right? As you can see over here, the same thing happened here. The yellow line cross over the white line, and that gives us very massive sell over here. So you're supposed to take your profits at this lower low here, right? It respects this area, retest this area. As you can see right here, there's a change of character over here. The price could not get to that same position again, so that is a change of character. That should tell you that it's going to start pushing back up. At this point, the white line cross over the yellow line. So another example is on buy. Let's check out Euro USD. The white line is under while the yellow line is up. So at this point, it's telling you to buy. This is a massive buy because there's a huge space between the yellow and the white line. All you need to do at this point, you have a lower low over here, and if you get into the market over here, your first profit should be around this resistance level. So at this point, you are supposed to put your stop loss over here. Yeah, for instance, let's go on long. All right, let's go long from here where our market is confirmed, right? Go long right here, take your first profit over there and put your stop loss somewhere below here in case price get back to retest this zone. At this point, we are still on high buy. See, I've been using this indicator for a while now, and it has been generating some cool cash for me, so you can also do the same and be profitable. If you have any question, drop it at the comment section. I will reply to each and every one of you. So if you find value in the video, please subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and see you in the next video.